Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel and loves cooking, you are in the right place. Please consider subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. By doing so, every time we upload new videos, you're the first to notify. Today, I'll be cooking pork barbecue on stick. So let's start. Mix the barbecue marinade to the pork meat. Then marinate for about 1 hour. It's time to stew our pork meat by using the bamboo stick. Now it's time to cook. To put the meat above the fire. Now our pork barbecue is done. If you like this video, please like and share. If you like more videos, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. By doing so, every time you upload new videos, you're the first to notify. Thank you for watching. See you on my next videos. Have a nice day.